There's a lot of celebration going on in Tesla headquarters after rounding up their events for the week. The buzz going around is that Tesla's stock is likely to explode like never before after the release of some information. Investors are eating up as many shares as they can while they have the chance. If you enjoy investing in stocks, Tesla is a company to keep an eye on. Elon Musk's electric vehicle and sustainable energy company have seen substantial growth in recent years. Its stock has also performed exceptionally well in the market. So why is everyone saying the stock will blow up? Are these rumors true? Keep watching to find out everything. Tesla's fourth Gigafactory, and its first in Europe, was officially opened recently by the company's CEO Elon Musk, causing quite an uproar in the Tesla community, which was expected. This milestone was attained around 2.5 years after Tesla first announced its plans to establish a factory on the site, which is formerly known as Giga Berlin Brandenburg and is located just outside of Berlin, Germany's capital. Tesla is turning over the first production cars built at the facility to customers as part of the inauguration ceremony, 30 Model Y compact SUVs. Tesla formally announced the factory's launch on March 22nd, just over 2 weeks after receiving conditional approval to open its $5.5 billion Gigafactory in Grünheide, near Berlin. According to reports, Elon Musk literally danced in delight at the event's start. Tesla's stock was up 3.3% as of March 23rd, suggesting that investors must be very pleased. What makes this so important for Tesla? Well, Tesla aims to expand its Berlin Gigafactory to the point where it can make 500,000 vehicles per year, as the Wall Street Journal reported. But that's only part of the good news. Tesla will be able to avoid both the cost of shipping cars to Europe from plants in the United States and China, as well as import tariffs by building cars within Europe. These two factors should lower the price of Tesla's cars, encourage more sales in Europe, and make Tesla able to compete with their local rivals like BMW and Volkswagen. Musk said in a statement, "It makes a tremendous difference to capital efficiency to localize production within a continent." Furthermore, the plant's location in Germany will allow Tesla to tailor automobiles to local tastes, which should boost sales. Not that Tesla necessarily needs that kind of help. According to the journal, sales of electric cars, EVs, and plug-in hybrids nearly doubled the percentage of overall sales in Europe last year to 18%. Tesla's main problem right now will be ramping up manufacturing to meet all of Europe's EV demand. "The start of production is nice," the CEO said to the press, "but volume production is the hard part." However, with Tesla aiming to make 5,000 to 10,000 vehicles per week by the end of the year, it appears like the new German facility will be at least half operational and possibly fully operational in only 8 months, bringing its 500,000 car per year capacity closer to reality. To put it another way, Tesla is off to the races in Germany. It's no surprise that investors are ecstatic. The building of the Gigafactory did not come without its challenges. Since the factory's early planning phases, environmental issues have surrounded it, dating back to February 2020, when Tesla was forced to cease its development on the factory site temporarily. However, Tesla and its CEO have continually defended the factory's environmental impact. Musk claims that the Gigafactory will use very little water and that the forest that had been removed to make way for it was not natural, as it had been planted to supply a cardboard factory. Tesla said in a letter to a German court that the country's regulatory system clearly contradicts the urgency to plan and achieve such initiatives that are required to combat climate change. This is not the only news that can catapult Tesla's stock to the roof. Tesla supporters were disappointed to learn earlier this year that the company's long-awaited Cybertruck will be delayed. However, CEO Elon Musk delivered an update on the new electric vehicle recently, which was excellent news. Tesla stock is currently rising due to several factors. As you can see, Tesla stock has already received a lot of big news towards the end of March. It's no surprise that shares have been increasing since the delivery day at the Berlin Gigafactory and the recent update on Tesla's Gigafest in Texas. As of the making of this video, the stock is up 2% on the day and appears to be on the rise. Perhaps most exciting, however, is that the Cybertruck received an exciting update on the Berlin delivery day. When questioned about Tesla's short-term objectives, Musk stated that the business was aiming to advance the electric vehicle. "We intend to finish development of the Cybertruck this year and be ready for manufacturing next year," said the CEO. Since the first photographs of the Tesla Cybertruck were posted, fans have been raving about it. Of course, Musk confirmed on the most recent fourth-quarter earnings call that the EV will most likely be delayed. The CEO did not provide any details about what people might expect. However, that wasn't the only change. According to Electrek, Musk also stated that the company plans to finish engineering on its next Tesla Roadster by 2022. Additionally, it plans to acquire extra batteries for its Tesla semi-truck production this year. All of these ambitions should delight Tesla devotees, while simultaneously tamping down investors' concerns. Though the company seemed far away a few months ago, Tesla appears to be closer to achieving its targets. Even if Tesla misses some of these targets by the end of 2022, the stock should continue to grow due to the momentum. Tesla has missed plenty of deadlines, but that has never kept shares down for long. The company has frequently demonstrated why it's the EV race's leader. Looking ahead, it's not surprising that Musk appears to be reprioritizing the Cybertruck's development. Rivian and General Motors, two of the company's competitors, have already developed their own electric trucks. Tesla definitely would not want to lose any of its market shares. That means putting even more emphasis on the futuristic-looking Cybertruck. This is why the stock has been on a tear this month, and it's unlikely to slow down as the next Gigafest approaches. The convergence of two large events scheduled so close together has given Tesla stock the push it needs to reclaim some of the ground it had lost in recent months. Now, Musk's new Cybertruck upgrade is giving Tesla stock a new lease on life. While it's unclear when the Cybertruck and Roadster will be released, investors can rest assured that anticipation will keep shares moving upward for months to come. Even though the rest of the market is down, Tesla shares soared back above 1,000, advancing for a 7th straight session and without much drama. Tesla shares traded at $1,029.60 on March 23rd, up to $35.62 or 3.6%. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average were both down approximately 0.4% and 0.6%. According to Dow Jones market data, if the rally continues, Tesla stock will have reached its highest closing level since January 18th, ending at $1,030.51. The 34% gain in 7 days is the greatest winning streak since the 7 sessions ended in August 5th. Tesla stock has gained 18.3% in March, putting it back on track to have its best month since October 2021. Back then, the stock had risen over 44%. A few firms have adjusted their price expectations for the company, and over the last week, the average estimate on the price has declined by around $4 to around $939 a share. Tesla's excellent earnings beat speaks to an EV demand trajectory that looks pretty robust for Tesla, with definite momentum heading into 2022. Despite the chip shortage being a huge overhang on the auto market and logistical challenges globally, the company is still expected to push through. While there are numerous competitors in the EV field, Tesla continues to hold a significant market share and is now witnessing a significant increase in China demand after facing challenges earlier in 2021. Tesla's production ramp-up in both Berlin and Austin is expected to be gradual at first. On the other hand, some feel that the Berlin plant will alleviate Tesla's global manufacturing difficulties. Their relentless commitment to lowering costs through new batteries, product localization, scalability, and efficiency has been evident quarter after quarter, and this year's projects should accelerate that trend. We can only look forward to seeing the stock fly to the moon. So what do you think about this news? Comment down below.